Just showing a few of the changes that have been made in the VR now. Obviously, you can see on the wall here, I've added a graph. So I've got a chart that shows a line graph showing the rotation speed of the wind turbine. Obviously, this data is just simulated right now. I just have it randomly generating a number from 200 to 220, I believe. So, but it's showing that we can do a real-time chart. And then over here, I have another one on the wall. This one's a little bit more interesting. So what this is doing is this is actually going to one of my Arduino devices, and it's pulling data from a temperature probe every 5 seconds. So you can see that in this room that I'm in, the temperature is changing from about 24.5 up to about 25 and down to 24.4. And like it's pretty stable, so the time, it doesn't change all the time, but oh, there it goes. And then on the side here, I've got the temperature actually being shown and the time that the actual last probe was done. Additionally, what I'm trying to add here, and I've been working on, one thing is I'm trying to make the controllers disappear. They haven't gotten removed yet. But the other one is I've added this tablet. So the tablet, what I'm hoping is that you'll be able to look at something and it'll bring up information about that item. I'm trying currently to get the charts to show up. So when I look at a chart, I'll hold it up like that, point it at the chart, and then that chart will show up. Currently what I've got shown is, if you can see it, I've got the Baker Hughes chart running. So I've got a video running on the tablet right now, so you can see the time is actually changing on there and the lines are getting drawn. So that's basically what I've been working on lately. A lot of the stuff I've been working on has been trying to get some performance improvements and trying to standardize things so that it's a lot easier to implement new things, which obviously takes a little while. And I finally got the hands nicely synced up so they look pretty good. They're in the right positions and everything. And that's pretty much it for now. The next thing I'm going to be adding is hopefully over on the locomotive section. When I look at a locomotive, I'll bring up a Service Max screen. I thought that might look a little better than having a floating panel. Oh, and also I've got the UAA and everything all set up again. So now we do get data back from Predix for the Akumas. Unfortunately, the data we have in here is stale. It just takes a second here. So you can see the last time it was brought in was on the July 14th in 2017. That's the last time we got real data in here. I can obviously remove the date timestamp there so we don't see that, but we can also put in this, a script that'll simulate and push data into time series so that we can pull it back out and it won't be stale. And that should be everything.